Hey guys, it's Cassia. It is Wednesday the 27th of December and I just felt like doing a little weekly vlog. I definitely want to do a lot more like weekly vlogs or just like daily vlogs or whatever. I just want to do a lot more vlogging over the next year because next year I feel like is going to be super exciting. It is my final year of uni, my third and final year, and I just think it's going to be so much fun. I definitely want to document more of like my student life, especially my last year of student life. Wanting to have like a really productive day because it's the 27th today, so all of like the Christmas festivities are over, and obviously over Christmas that's when you like relax and you don't really do anything and you just, you know, chill. So I'm excited to have today as like my get my life back on track kind of day, like have a really productive day. And sometimes I just love having really productive days. Like obviously sometimes I love being lazy and sometimes I love being productive, and today is a productive day. Anyways, it is about 1 o'clock right now. So I've just finished filming this video, which you guys will probably have already seen. This will be up before the new year. So yeah, this is my New Year's Eve makeup look. I have 2 more videos to film. I have my Gigi Hadid first impressions, which I've been waiting to film for so long. I showed you in like a previous vlog me like buying the products, so I bought them like ages ago and I've been dying to try them. So I'm gonna do that after I finish this and take this makeup off. I've got a haul to do because yesterday was Boxing Day and there were Boxing Day sales and I went a bit crazy. So this is everything. These bags right here, I think there's like 7 or 8 bags there. This is all my Boxing Day shopping. I did some damage, and that is all the filming I have to do today. And then later today I'm going to go to the shops because I want to get some prescription sunglasses, because basically I'm supposed to be wearing my glasses whilst like I'm driving, like whilst I'm meant to be seeing like long distance stuff, but because it's summer and it's really sunny, it's just getting really hard to wear them whilst driving. So I need to get some prescription sunglasses. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. The video has been filmed and right now I'm waiting for my battery to charge a bit more so I can film my third and final video for the day. But it is about 2:30 and I am hungry AF. Got the Jamie Oliver 5 ingredients cookbook, quick and easy food, which is perfect for me. And I've just been flicking through, just basically finding any recipe that I had all the ingredients of at home right now. So I've decided I'm going to be making this all-day Mexican breakfast, which looks amazing. Oh no, I just realized I don't have avocados. Damn it, I can't make this. I have informed my boyfriend what we are making for dinner. Easy sausage carbonara. That looks just really good right now. So when I go out to go get my sunglasses, I'm going to go to the supermarket and buy these ingredients. Okay, so I thought I'd still attempt to make this. I don't have everything, as we discovered. Oh, avocados. I have this guacamole. Oh god, this is not going to turn out very good, but I'm just so hungry. I also thought I'd put in some of this 4-leaf salad just so I get some veggies and some salsa. I don't really know. I don't know. It's not going to look like this or anything, but hopefully it'll still taste good. So I'm gonna get to cooking this. You're on top of a rice cooker right now. I don't know if this is going to go well, but we will see. Okay, so this is Jamie's and this is mine. Honestly, like not even mad about the presentation because I actually am the worst at cooking and presentation has never been my strong suit, but I've been eating this and it actually tastes pretty good. I'm actually like proud of myself. You guys are probably gonna think I'm pathetic, but I honestly like never ever cook. I'm the worst. I'm making the easy carbonara. I've got all the ingredients laid out. Where'd you go? You're gonna jump up and scare me. I found you. I'm making meatballs. Yeah, we just squeezed all this meat out of the sausages. I didn't film it because it looked weird, but yeah. bit over here where you can walk across this river, which we're gonna do now. Looks so pretty. All the swans over there are chilling. Are you drinking my bubble tea? Excuse me.
Where is it?
That one.
Yeah. Can't see it, that's as far as it goes.
No.
Well, that's a sailing ship. Awesome.
So cool.
Can I get a small spearmint sundae?
We got the goods. Yes. Feel like a little kid. Had a nice time disturbing all the jellyfish.
Yeah.
We collected some shells. Back here again, getting some ramen. Are you excited to try it?
I just want food.
Oh, okay. It's so good here. There's always a line. It's so good. Yes. This looks so good. I'm so happy. Hey guys, it is now Friday the, what day is it? 29th? I think it's the 29th. And I have just finished a full day of work. It is now 5:35 and I started work at 9, so I've literally been working for so long. Sophie, Jasmine, Charlotte and I are going to the beach and then we're going to go play Disney Monopoly later, so I will bring you along for that. But yeah, I'm just so happy to be off work right now. Yeah, now to go see my friends. Hey guys! Hey, we're at Scarborough and we're eating food. This looks so good. How happy are you guys right now? Very, very happy. Yeah. This is what we come to the beach for, guys. For photos. Wow. This is goals. Best friend. This is what we've got going on. Flashlight, photographer, model. Love this. This is what we do at the beach, guys. Loving this. Disney Monopoly. Hey girl. Hey. With our Mad Hatter tea, so we're like in Alice in Wonderland. This actually looks so cute. I've gone for the Cinderella slipper and I'm just in jail right now, which is fun. Yeah. Spent how long playing? Like 2 hours? 3 hours maybe? Probably. Yeah, well, Jasmine's the winner. Yay, Princess Jasmine, of course. Sophie's went bankrupt in the middle, towards the end. Yeah. Charlotte's second, and I'm third. Yeah, look at all the castles. These are legit, no, these ones are Charlotte's and these are all Jasmine's.
Look at all my money.
And, yeah, wow, so.
Yeah, that's so
wow, this was a good game. I was happy with it. Yeah. Guys, I'm at the beach with Nikki. And so we go to the beach like every single vlog that I do. I'm always at the beach. It's so pretty though. It is necessary. It's summer. Yes, I think this is called South Beach. I think it is. It's so pretty. Have you had a good day?
Yes, I have.
Yay. We have to go now. Goodbye. It is Friday the 5th of January and I've just been working all day and I've just come home and we're about to go get my sunglasses that I ordered at the start of like this vlog. Then we're gonna go watch Wonder because I have been wanting to watch that for so long. It was my favorite book in high school, so I'm so excited that it's a movie. So yeah, Seth and I are gonna go watch Wonder. Then I do a little outfit of the day before I leave. So this is the jumper I'm wearing. It's from Monkey. I put it on ASOS and it just says Women of the World Unite, and I just think it's so cute. And I'm just wearing black jeans and I've got my Michael Kors bag. Of course, so yeah, that's my outfit. It's actually really cold today. Like, why am I in a sweater and jeans in summer? Like, literally. It's so cold. Why? That's my outfit. I also got a little ASOS order. I got this Baker Boy hat because I've been really into Baker Boy hats lately. And I thought I would try one for myself, so this is what it looks like on me. Let me know what you guys think about this. I don't know if I'm brave enough to wear this. I don't know. I quite like it, but I don't know if it suits me. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe if I like tie my hair up. I have no idea, but I think it's really cute. I also got a black denim skirt, which I'm gonna return just because I didn't know that it would be like 4 buttons and I just don't really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna return that. And then I also got this tiger purse, which I'm also returning because I recently got my Michael Kors one. I recently got this Michael Kors purse, so I'm going to return the ASOS one. But isn't this so cute? It's bright yellow, which I love. Has the Michael Kors logo. This is what it looks like. Got a picture of me and Seth in it, and my cards. Got some coins in there. It's got a place for like notes and stuff. So this is really cute, and I've been loving yellow lately. So yeah, I bought this so I don't need the tiger one from ASOS anymore. So yeah. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here just because I don't really have much going on with me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.